Hi guys. In this video we are going to see Telegram app new update features. You are watching Unique 5 channel. If you are not subscribed to my channel, then tap the subscribe button and click the notification bell to get notification for new video updates. Let's get into the video. Telegram is a cloud-based instant messaging service. It is getting better itself again and again. It announces its update of version 6.2.0. Let's see what are they introduced in the new update. Update the Telegram app from the Play Store. It is 8 MB update. Let's see what's new. Telegram introduces new media editor, new GIF panel, improved interfaces and more updates. Let's see about Telegram. Telegram is an instant messaging app. Simple, fast, secure, and synced across all our devices. According to recent report, Telegram has over 400 million active users. It is easy to use, an ad-free platform. We can access our messages from all our devices at once. We can send media and files without any limits on their type and size. Our entire chat history will require no disk space on our device, and it is securely stored in the Telegram cloud for as long as we need it. We can create group chats for up to 200,000 members, and we can share large videos. It really works even on the weakest mobile connections. It has photo and video editing tools and an open GIF platform. Telegram offers secret chats. Secret chats use end-to-end encryption to ensure that a message can only be read by its intended recipient. Secret chat messages can be programmed to self-destruct automatically from both participating devices. Let's see what are the new options introduced in editing. The first option is cropping. It is already present in the previous version. Almost all of the photo editing tools have been made available for videos now. Then next is to add sticker to image or video. We can search the GIF by emoji-based sections. It also load faster. We can zoom in on a video clip or a picture and add stickers will be posted as a GIF. Here we can see that it has updated plenty of GIFs and stickers. Even making drawings is also allowed. To draw a better one, you can zoom into the image or video. If you observe closely, you will catch an improvement in GIF loading. We can also add text to the image or video. The next one is to adjust the brightness, contrast, or enhancement. Individual slide bars are dedicated. The interface is also wonderful. Slide the bars to change the settings. The last one is self-destruction option. The self-destruction timer is available for all messages in secret chats and for media in private cloud chats. To set the timer, simply tap the clock icon and then choose the desired time limit. When the time runs out, the message is deleted from both devices. Another new feature introduced is the two-step verification. We can enable this by setting up a new password from the privacy and security option. Here we have to set a new password. Then verify it by retyping it here. Set up a hint to remember the password. Then email ID is asked for recovery purpose of password. If we forget the password, we can change using this email. Then the verification code is sent to the recovery mail. It is just for verifying the mail it is in active condition or not. Not only these features, but also updated the video player and storage usage settings. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you like the video, then share with your friends. Click the notification bell to get latest video update. Bye, see you in next video. Thank you, have a nice day.